As a nation, we are proud of our long history and tradition of harmonious coexistence between man and nature. Respect for nature is an integral part of our value system. Our traditional practices contribute to a sustainable lifestyle. Our goal is to be able to live up to our ancient texts which say, keep pure, for the earth is our mother and we are her children. One of the most ancient scriptures, the Atharva Ved, spells out, Mata Bhumihi Putro Aham Pruthivyam. This is the ideal we seek to live through our actions. We believe that all resources and all wealth belongs to nature and the Almighty. We are just the trustees or managers of this wealth. Mahatma Gandhi too advocated this trusteeship philosophy.